Hello digital friends. Today, we've prepared a tutorial on the viral call from March Instagram Add Yours template, which has already been tried by over 3 million users. Here's how to find it and share your favorite moments from March. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, in the search bar, type Add Your Stickers and open the profile with that nickname. The Add Yours templates are saved in the profile highlights. Open the highlight named Monthly Dump 6 and scroll through the stories until you find the story with the call from March template. To add it to your story, tap Add Yours. Now it's time to add the photos that marked your March. Take new photos using the Instagram camera or import them from your gallery by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner. Select your photos one by one until all the spaces are filled. Once you're done, tap the checkmark button at the bottom of the screen. You can move the Add Yours button wherever you like and add text, stickers, music, or effects. I'll skip that step for now and go ahead and share my story as usual. And here's how my March looks in pictures. Do you like it? Make sure to try this template and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon with more creative ideas. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.